Good morning, traders. Happy Friday, and welcome to the live trading room where me and Amin we are going to trade and try and maybe scalp the markets. And by the way, the first trade is already in. Amin took the buys on gold. Look at you go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, I will
Right.
stop watching the trade until I hear the noise of the closing.
But watching trades is fun. It's good.
I don't know when you are inside of it, not anymore.
Okay, I see. So, can you explain us why did you take the trade? What was
Yes.
it that you saw
So
there?
there I had the price fully outside of the band of Bollinger. Okay, and it was combined with the RSI well oversold, and also the stochastics.
Mm-hmm.
So the next candle was a nice big green engulfing candle. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and the next one took the price above it, so I just placed my order above the engulfing candle. As you can see, I didn't chase the price. I was waiting for it to come back to my limit order, and the stop loss just below, and I'm just trying to chase the, as you can see, near the medium. So yeah, sometimes when the price is too much outside of these bands, Bollinger bands, they have tendencies of up, making retracement quickly to the middle to breathe and maybe come back. This is why I try to catch a small retracement to the middle, and because all the indicators are showing me that yeah, we've been too much oversold. It's time to go up. So for now, it's going well.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how it goes. So it's very quick scalps. So this is scalping to the core in few minutes. For now, it's going well. Let's see, and I will stop watching for now.
Mm-hmm. Stop watching for now then. Okay. Well, I think I will go through a couple of let me see. So I'll go through a couple of pairs that I can
Yes,
look
good.
at. So for gold, I can see that like this resistance area in here. Um we are kind of going slowly bullish. So I would be looking more for buys. So I'm
Exactly.
actually on the same page as you because it looks like we are, took this high. Obviously, there is this resistance, but we're printing higher lows, right? So not that much interested. However, this is looking interesting to me. So this is like a really really major level for GU. So we're looking at pound. This is 4 hour chart. This is what we drew yesterday. This is my dribbles, scribbles, and you can see that we broke above, right? So big bearish push. However, looks like price is actually trying to hold this level, and we really haven't had that nice break and resist. Break and retest. So I don't know if this is going to happen. Like if this gonna happen here. I don't know. Maybe we are still fighting and we'll go in the same range and, we'll bounce around and then we'll break and go lower. So this might happen as well. And today is actually really big day as well because we're closing and on the monthly candles. So all the monthly candles are closing. So I think it's going to be interesting day. But for me, this is actually, I think, good opportunity to try and scalp GU and take some buys. So I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I could go into this position and try and take trade like this right here, right? So
So
we buy,
as always,
follow the plan.
yes,
I knew you're gonna
this
say that.
this is the only thing we can be attached to have some kind of
Yeah,
security and calmness and avoid any
for sure.
hesitations. So this is the only way for us to have an edge.
Hmm. Yeah. So I like what I see in here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We're still in this zone, so I would like for my stop to be lower in here, and this little range as well. So what the price can do is go lower in here and then start to print bullish. So I am just going to wait and maybe get in trade like this and then protect these lows, right? And then target this previous high. So I'm thinking I might do that. I'm just going to stay patient because when you're scalping, patience is just most important thing. And obviously also following your plan, but the patience part is really, really important. So, and also looking at
It's part of it. Being patient is part of the plan.
yeah, exactly. But looking at EU, right? So we have like this support area that was broken, and now we're acting as resistance. So this actually looks more bearish, and I can add like another zone in here when, let's say, zone like this. This is actually looking like the price is trying to go, lower, maybe something like that. So really hard to say what's going on. So, and I really don't like the idea when I trade EU and GU when price is doing something like this, where I'm like really bullish on EU, sorry, on GU, but the EU then looks bearish. So it's really hard to make a good decision because you don't want to go against them because they are correlated, and it's kind of, I never do that where I'm going to sell EU and buy GU. It's just part of my plan is to never go against each other, each of those pairs.
Yeah, this is
Um,
good.
I think it's a good rule. I really do believe it's a good rule. Sometimes, very rarely, it does happen when they do trade a little differently, but overall, like the overall bias is still the same. So, another thing to look at is like this GJ trade in here. So, we nicely respected this support area and we went higher. So, another zone that I can see right here is that this support in here was broken and this was our first retest. So, now the price is trying to go lower. We would have like nice trade in here, but obviously was not there at the moment. So now I can see that the price rejected. So it's like really easy for me to do analysis because, if I would not see it and I would be at this moment, then I would be, should I sell or should I not? But yeah,
Should I
now I'm
sell or should I?
yeah, I know. But now I'm very wise because I know the price action, what the price action did. So it's easy for me to say, yeah, I would have sold in here. So now I guess what I need to do is either wait for the price to try and test this support area again and then see if we can move lower. I think that would be the idea. Let's quickly look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking like yeah, this is hourly chart, by the way. We are in this, range a little bit in here. So, and it's starting to go bullish, but this trend is bearish, right? The one thing I can see is that, we might take out this trend. Yeah, something like that. But hey, don't want to play the guessing game here. It looks bearish in here. So maybe if we start to build more bullish price action and then come to retest, then we can find a setup. But my eyes are, locked in here. So gold, I think for now, this is good low. I think if it's protected, then we have a possibility that the price will, go higher. And for EU looks like sales. EU looks like sales and GU looks like buys. It's just annoying.
True.
But I could try and sell this resistance here, right? So if I protect it, it's such a small stop as well. What I could do, I could put it above this high, right? Enter here. So that's 6.2 pips. I could do that and then try and target into these lows in here. So if I sell this one, shall we try?
Shall we begin?
Shall we begin? Shall
Yeah, this
we
is
begin?
nice. Nice spot.
Mm-hmm. It's just that all this
Very nice.
bullishness.
Yeah, but for me, I'd like to have some kind of confirmations.
Yeah. Look, the confirmation is that you can always find the confirmation. you can always find a confirmation for your trade if you look long enough. You will convince yourself
Yeah,
that
yeah.
there
It's
is a setup,
this is the
right?
best way
So
to
yeah,
enter without. I see.
yeah. Now we're going bullish. So just wait, I guess. I want to see
For me,
some
it
kind
was
of
I would like a break of the a trend line, because it's
mhm,
very tight
yeah,
bullishness. So when
yeah,
it's very
for sure.
not strict and up,
Yeah,
I would like it to break just like on the left, fully on the
yeah,
left of the your rectangle, as you can see. Again, more left, left. Yeah, this trend, as you can see, it was fully up, and I
mm-hmm,
will draw a strict trend line. And for me, the break of it will be a good start. So now we
yeah,
have nice rejection, very good one, strong,
yeah.
and
I mean, this
yeah,
is
if
also
it
one
goes
minute
lower,
chart.
I'm in.
You sold.
No, no, if it goes lower to the this small support, we have a
Yeah,
small.
then you,
Yeah,
yeah,
it could
then
be a
it
good
makes
entry.
sense. So I'm just trying to figure out what kind of risk. So these would be my. I think I want to put the stop above this high,
Ooh,
like to protect it, right? Or if you really want to scalp and put tight stop loss, then you can protect this wick in here. So something like that. But for now, I just want to wait more of that break of some structure, the bullish structure here. But I think for me, more comfortable would be protect this high and then see if we can target into these lows. So something like that, ideally. But just need to wait. Need to wait. And see this candle, what happened right here, right now, right? We took these highs with this bullish candle. So most likely the price will come here and maybe then we'll see from this level because this is all 1 minute price action, right?
it's
Let's
fast.
put 4 hours. 4 hours looking like this. We are doing the same thing as GU, right? We're going bullish. We're going bullish from that 4 hour support. Same in here, right? So we can see that there is a support in here, right? Let me color it in. So this is our 4 hour support in here. And we can see that we're going bullish. Um, so selling maybe is not that good of idea. Yes, on 1 minute, it does look like the sells could be possibility, but when you look that price is now rejecting the 4 hours, I'm really rethinking if this is clever idea to sell. So, and if you want to scalp, then maybe you just need to target smaller targets. Because if you extend it, then, gets riskier, I guess. Takes it all.
For me, it's a
This is,
loss.
for you, it's a loss.
Yes,
Okay.
sadly.
Oh, well, this
Bye
is
bye.
EU. And this, for you took a gold, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
gold
did a
went down.
nice bounce on the middle, but my take
Mm-hmm.
profit was too high.
Yeah.
A few pips.
Few pips. Yeah.
Anyways, I will enter again.
We'll enter again. Okay.
Yes, have another trade. I have to stay positive.
Stay positive.
Keep
Okay,
following the
well, I'm
plan.
going to tell you what you're telling me all the time.
Plan.
Just follow your plan.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is looking okayish now. Big push, like a fake out, or what would you say, liquidity grab? I'll just show this one in
T-grab, yeah,
here.
it's good.
See this one here for the EU. We did a big push and now we're recovering. So we'll see if I'm not in any trades, by the way. You can see nothing is
Yes,
taken. I
don't be
haven't
like me.
executed. I'm just patient. I'm waiting. Okay, I am waiting.
You do well.
Waiting patiently. I actually love these cells now. Ah, but just like knowing that, if we're selling this, protecting, we can target into here. Let's take a quick scalp trade, guys. Nah, I'm not confident at all. I just don't like that this 4 hour level in here. So I think today's for me would be I would want to see the 4 hours taken, right? And then with 1 minute price action scalp lower. I think I just need to wait for a clear break. Or if I want to be a buyer, then I want to see a clear break of this previous level here. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. I'm not a good drawer. So this level here, right? Right. So I'm going to wait for price to go break, come back, and then go bullish. But for now, I think I just don't want to touch anything. I don't want to take part in any of this. How is your trade going?
Ugly.
Did you go? Are you in? Yes, you are.
I'm in. I'm in.
Okay.
I'm in.
Okay.
And it was almost touching the stop loss again. Come on,
Mm-hmm.
guys. It's happening.
Yeah.
So
We
now
have a
I will.
question.
Yes.
Hey, Anna and Amin.
Hello.
How do you approach the funded stage? How much buffer do you build before withdrawing? I'll answer.
Question.
I'll answer on my approach first, and
Okay.
then you can put your thoughts. Um, I think it first of all it depends on the program. If you're trading, for example, leverage turbo, then there is a trailing drawdown, and with that, you always need to leave a buffer in because once you request a payout, your original balance becomes your drawdown level. So, for example, if you trade 100K and you make a profit, then you need to make sure that you leave something in because your drawdown now is going to be your balance, which is 100K. So as soon as the account goes lower than 100K, you breach account. If you trade something like junior, senior, executive, or sprint, then there is no trailing drawdown. And therefore, you can decide if you want to leave the buffer or you just want to use the maximum drawdown as your buffer initially. So two things. I think mentally, right, emotionally, it's always better when there is a cushion, the buffer in the account, and it's easier to trade. But at the same time, we're traders, we want to be paid, and you just want to get the money out ASAP. So I guess it really depends on the person. And there's nothing wrong with leaving the buffer and nothing wrong with taking it all out. Just as long as you make sure that you understand the rules and you're not breaking any of them, especially if you're trading turbo program, because once you request a payout, your drawdown is going to be your original balance. And then another thing is just also your risk approach. The more cushion you have in your account, again, emotionally, it's going to be easier to trade. But also then you can play more with your risk management, maybe risk more, risk less, whatever. So there's just more opportunities. Ouch! Another stop. Someone says, bro, your trade gonna hit stop loss. Are you okay?
It's okay. I'm gonna take a third one if needed.
Take third
I'm
one.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you think about your approach on the funded stage? Should we have some buffer in it or not?
So for the funded accounts, yeah, you have to remember that you have to withdraw, but you have to withdraw to not too much impact your account because you want to have scale up account. Yeah, we want to scale up little by little, more and more, and the more you increase the account, the more you're gonna be able
Mhm.
to win and risk. So don't cut too much your progress. You have to find the balance between withdraw and making progressing the account little by little. This will be my approach.
Mhm. Yeah. Good, I think. I think a good approach.
Thank you.
What's happening there?
It's ugly.
It's ugly. Oh
It
no.
is what it is. I'm not yet on it. I'm waiting for a new trade.
Okay. Well, I think I might enter GU buys. I'm not in obviously yet, but I love how we this rejection
Okay.
here. So I think I could protect these lows and just target this high in here like that. Let's see how much we have. 6 pips. Let's put it 7. Okay, let's buy. Let's buy this one here. And then we put the profit in here. So that's me. I took the buys. EU does look like sales. If I would enter this one, I would be in a profit, but I'm not. I took the GU buys. Not the most comfortable thing, simply because I already explained how this is, the correlation doesn't really work well. Look at that. I mean, don't fight the trend, brother.
I placed the order. Let's go.
You placed the order. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Dexter says
it's it's
the volume on
it's my
sale is
strategy.
bigger. The volume on sale is bigger than the buys, and you still buying. Guys, we trade our own strategy, so let's not get judgy, okay?
It's okay.
Um,
As you can see, it's very sharp, small size. So yeah, I buy
yeah,
just the small reversal,
yeah.
and
Dexter says the buys will play out. High chance. See? High chance for you.
it's okay. I'm not aiming for a quick win. It's a
Oh,
marathon, not a sprint.
wait, he said on GU. So on my trade. Wait. Let's see my trade.
Oh,
Trade
ooh.
my trade is at the break even now. So we will see what's gonna happen. I honestly, this is like a scalp, right? Scalp thing. And scalp thing for me is still new. I'm still testing. Okay, so it's all good. We will see. We'll see how this is going to go. I'm still only applying half a risk. I have a nice buffer in here, so it's all good. Which pair is that hard? Can hardly see it. So that Amin is taking gold buys, and I'm
No,
taking
it's the
pound
goal
buys.
taking me.
Yeah. So I'm trading pound. He's trading gold, and we have look at that. We have in house a payout. Good morning. I really enjoy my payout
I
with
know.
you. Yay! You requested a payout. Well done. Good job. Um, I don't think payout for us coming anytime soon because we're still in
No, it's not that at the moment.
we're still in this we're still in this just the start stagey, so we will
And
see.
it's not the
But yeah,
gold. I'm not trading the gold. It's the gold trading me, guys.
gold trading you. So what's happening now here in GU is I really want to see these lows protected, so it would be nice to have a bullish price action. If we start to break lower, then I might be wrong on this one and I should have taken this trade, but it's okay. It is okay. We're following the plan. Not all the trades will be good, so it's fine. Right, okay. Let's see Amin's chat. Okay. What's up? What's going on? You're still in a little plus.
So I took the third trade on gold. Yeah,
Hmm?
same, absolutely same as the first trade on Gonfi Condor.
Yeah.
Strong, well, clean, oversold RSI. Put the order just above, very tight, stop loss below,
Yeah.
and take profit there. I wait.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it will
Okay.
do the same as before. It go up, need to take profit and bye bye. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
It was back tested, so I take the loss to the win as a good person.
Yeah. As long as you trade the plan, I guess. That's what
Yes.
matters.
So of course,
Uh,
it's never a good feeling when you have a loss or two
mhm.
or three in a row.
Yeah.
But I saw it in my back testing. I even have six loss in a row, so
Mhm.
I'm ready.
You're ready. Yeah.
I'm
Is
ready
it
to
one to
losing
one?
six
Your
trades.
trade? It looks like one to
Yeah,
one.
what one to one, but not that truly one to one because I move sometimes the take profit because the spread
Hmm.
to not be
Let's witness my stop being hit, you guys. Look at that.
stop loss. What a day for us, guys!
No, no, not yet, but soon. But soon. It's just kissing it. See, that's my stop loss in here. It's just kissing it. I'm still in the trade. See?
Good.
Ugly.
Maybe if you put more pressure mentally, it will go
I don't think I can. I don't think my mind is capable of moving the
moving the
price.
market.
Yep.
You
I
should
have
try. You
learned
should.
that already that I cannot. I've tried to pray. I've tried to cry. I've tried to be angry. I've tried to
Yeah, I
kick
tried to.
and
Nothing works. Only the
no,
plan.
guys, nothing
It works.
works. The only thing that works is trading your plan and applying proper risk management.
True.
That's what works. And the thing is, if the trade doesn't go well, it doesn't go well. For us, I think it sucks that we need to do a hey, to say we took a trade and it sucks and we lost and you guys can see it. So that's the only thing. But other than that, like um we just need to follow the plan. That's it.
It's part of
Uh
trading live. So yeah, yesterday we had a lot of wins, also during the Discord stream. But today it's the reverse.
yeah. Today is the day. Dexter says, funny how I saw sell on GU, but the choppy price made me close and break even. Yep. Because now what has happened, actually, we have taken this low and the price action is looking good for sales. The only thing is now holding like these wicks in here, but I don't think the price is gonna, go up, to be fair. I think we are starting to go more bearish. And the bigger picture for 4 hours is looking that we might take this support resistance out. So, yeah. And my next plan is from sellers to buyers. If I see a nice break, then I can sell. So yeah, we need to see and wait. But looks like we could go. I mean, we could again go lower and then leave the wick. Um, Price is closing in 3 hours, so we have plenty of time for this 4 hour candle to go lower and then up and leave like that kind of candle. Print this kind of candle where we leave a wick. So who knows? Who knows? We're just following the price, following the price, following the plan. See. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is proper teasing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes of this, you know?
Beautiful.
Good fun. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Right, let's see how is your fun going.
It's okay.
Uh,
It's
it's break
okay.
even. It's break
It's
even.
okay.
Okay. It's good.
So
So
we will see how it goes. It's ugly. Still ugly because it seems going down. Yeah, it's ugly now.
ay ay ay. Ay 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 ay. Question.
Okay, it's okay.
What pair do you guys like to trade the most? I mean, you go first.
Yeah,
What
before
pair?
it was gold, but not today. Not not today, guys.
Yeah. For me, I like to trade EU and GU. Those are like my two favorite pairs. Used to be GJ, but I always laughed that with GJ, um, I have love and hate relationship with that pair. So
This is
yeah, I
toxic.
don't. It's toxic. It's a toxic relationship. Okay, so I don't like that. But I know traders who believe that pairs doesn't matter. It's just the charts. So you can trade like any pair. You just need the chart. So I don't know. I feel comfortable
No,
knowing what I'm trading. I feel comfortable knowing what I'm trading. So and
true.
yeah, for me, it's forex. It's always been forex. So
So yeah, it
let's
depends. Each market has a personality. So
yeah,
it's best to
yeah,
match a market depending of your personality and your trading style. This
Hmm.
is the best way to stay in the trading career longer without
Yeah,
losing your brain.
yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Marcos. It is beautiful morning.
Buenos
Uh,
días, Marcos. ¿Cómo está bien? Estamos aquí.
wait, what was that? The last phrase? What does
I
that
should
mean?
say we are there present,
Okay. I need to learn more of
present to
Spanish.
lose.
I need to learn more Spanish. Okay. So you are at the break even. Your gold trade is doing okay for moments. And
Yeah.
my trade is looking like this. Teasing. See? That's what's
Welcome to
happening.
Scalp, guys. This is
Welcome to
Scalp.
scalping
So
sessions.
yesterday we had almost no trade. Only took one, I think.
Hmm.
But today it's fast.
Yeah.
Today it's fiesta.
Fiesta time. Yeah. Uh, Ever traded any crypto? Yeah. Maybe
I
not so
did
much me,
a lot.
but Amin is trading it. Yep. Show us what you're looking for on crypto. Marcos says
So
24 degrees in there. Oh,
24.
jealous. Jealous.
This is
It's
good.
9. It's 9 where I am. So
Wow. So Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yeah.
I had a good trade on Bitcoin during the night. So as you can see, we are on a strong key level,
Hmm.
and we're trying to go up and up. So in 5 minutes time frame, let me show you what happened. So as you can see there, we had a nice downtrend going
Hmm.
lower and lower, with following being below the moving average, exponential moving average, and it's respecting my trend area that I drew, double lines. Okay, and we had a divergence on the RSI on Bitcoin on this strong level, and we broke completely the trend area. We broke the 50 MA, and we broke mostly this last resistance. So the trade was just to take the break of this resistance, stop loss just below, and yeah, it was a nice setup to take. And for now, do we have something? Let me check. On 30 minutes, we have nothing for me. And on 1 minute time frame, oh, my others, what touch? I hear the sound. Let me check it.
What's happening? What happened?
Oh, finally a win, guys.
Big profit. Look at that.
Amen.
Go. Whoop,
Okay, have a good day, guys. I wish you a very good life. I'm off.
whoop. He's off. Oh no.
This is a
Uh,
lot of pressure scalping. Like it's draining your soul. You know,
yeah.
it's eating your life.
Nice. Scalping is not nice. It is just not nice.
Not easy, but it's the most efficient way to make an account growth. But it's also the best way to make an account
Mm,
blowout.
yeah. Look at
Because
my trade. Look at my
let me
trade. My
show.
trade is teasing me. And then I'm looking at the EU. I could have been in a winning trade and I never took it. I
Yeah, you have
wanted to
to
take
pick one.
EU.
This is life.
Yeah, it is what it is.
So
But
yeah, for now I have -1 trade because I lost two
mm,
trade 1-1, and you are still on a trade. So stay
yeah,
safe.
I don't think. I mean, I am safe because I have my stop loss in place. It's good. I have accepted the loss, but it sucks. Okay, because what's happening now is we're using this area, and I can
Yeah,
tell
it's to
probably.
bounce. This is ugly.
Yeah. See this one here, it's bouncing and it's going to take, then it's going to come to this area and then it's going to take until we go lower and lower. So, ouch. It
True.
is what it is. Okay.
Totally true.
So now I really don't like using word hope. Um
But we
But
are
now,
humans.
honestly, we're humans. We just hope maybe something will change. But logical mind, the way I read price action, just says that this was the area where price bounced, then we're moving lower. So that's what it is.
But you had
Uh,
the same logic when you enter the trade, so maybe it's gonna not
exactly.
respect. So
Yeah.
we have to wait and
Um,
see. Just it's all about probabilities. Yeah, now the
it is.
probabilities are not great to go up,
Yeah.
but it's
Exactly.
only probabilities. So
Yeah.
nothing is certain.
You prefer scalping, day trading, or swing trading? Swing trading for sure. So much less pressure. It's so
S-
easy, at least for me.
For me, as you can see, I love scalping every day, taking some loss. I'm
Hmm.
kidding. Swing trading or for the win, it's the best for your mental health
Mental health for sure. Yeah.
and your time.
If
Swing
you
trading
if
is
you
the
love
best.
some gray hair, please do scalping.
True,
Oh,
true, true, true. This is a
yeah.
fast aging process.
Mm. If you know what's going to happen, why don't you go out and take a sell position? Because my analysis was made on this, and I don't want to change my mind when I'm in the trade
Yes.
because the stop loss is set in place to protect these lows. Because, like I said, what can happen now is we also can go higher. So I think it's important not to change your mind in the middle of the trade. And if it's a stop loss, it's a stop loss. That's why it's in place there. And only when the stop loss is taken out, then I'm going to change my mind. And then I'll say, yeah, okay, I am going to look into sales. But until then, I just need to stick with that. And I need to go, there we go, stop loss. There we go, stop loss.
Aye, aye,
Um,
aye.
but the thing is, like, we just need to stick with that, and we need to understand that once you have made, and again, this is just for me. I love to trade either with the stop, it's going to be stop loss or take profit. I really don't like closing my trades early, because I want to make sure that I'm, trading the price action that I saw in there at that moment. Um, but maybe something that's in future that I can consider. If I see that the price is doing and I'm reading the price action and I can see it, then maybe I can close it. But I'm still very new to scalping. I'm still only learning. So this is like a forward testing thing. And I'm only learning. So we'll see what's going to happen. But look at this. Look at this. I should have been in sales. And instead, I took a loss. Okay. But it is what it is. It is what it is.
One last
Um,
each. Nice day. Happy Friday, guys. Happy
One,
Friday.
yeah, two losses for you, one winner for you, then one loss for me. And yeah, and I think we can wrap up our session. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm really curious to see like this 4 hour candle for sure. I want to wait and see what is going to happen in here because this is really important level here. And I want to see either maybe this is end of the month, so we can end it with a nice break. So we will see what's going to happen. I would have been up some bucks now if I didn't close the sale. I'll wait till 9:30 open. Yeah, yeah. You can wait for New York, I guess. Yeah, for the New York Open. So we will see what's gonna happen. But still a good day, right? Good Friday. Good way to finish the Friday.
I think gold is best to be traded during the cross session, like London
Yeah.
and New York combined, and
Yeah, I
just
think
London alone.
we have found more success in there for sure. For sure.
Exactly. There is
So
way more volume and liquidity in
yeah.
during this time because the volume in higher for in New York session for gold. That's for sure because there is a
Mhm.
central there related to it. So it's almost like everything is related to New York session when it's about gold. And
Yeah.
it's also the same for other forex pair when they are correlated to USD. New York session is better to scalp than Europe session for this pair, as pound,
Yeah.
USD, Euro, USD, etc. For scalpers, because there is way more volume and respect of
That's like
levels and
yeah.
liquidity grabs. But for other markets, yeah, like pound, yeah, pound, euro, US, euro, US, euro, it's best for London. and
Mm-hmm.
other stock market like UK 100, etc.
Yeah.
This for
Yep.
London session.
Right, you guys. Well, that's a wrap for the month, for the week. Before we close it down, just want to remind you that today is last day where you can use code TREATS for 30% off. So enjoy. It's for all the programs except the activation fees for the Turbo funded account. Please join in the Discord. Link is in description. Amin is going to do the live trading session later on today. And that's it, guys. You will see us next week. And Dexter says, I think the GU will take out that low. I think so too. And I was like looking, maybe I could get into sales now. But I'm done. We are finishing the month. I'm done, okay? I
I'm
am
done.
done.
Same three trades. This is
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, this is really good. So anyhow, I am going to I'm going to finish my month here, and next week Monday we start fresh. We start next month, and let's see how our scalping will go. So thanks guys for joining in. We appreciate you. Have a good end of the month, and we will see you next week. Take care, guys.